This may look like a simple gel pen, but behind it is a carefully engineered manufacturing process. Let's see how a gel pen is crafted, from raw materials to smooth writing.
Discover the magic behind every creation, how it's crafted.
Everything begins with raw materials. Plastic granules, metal rods, gel ink chemicals, spring wire, and packaging supplies arrive at the factory floor. Before shaping the pen, plastic granules are dried to remove moisture. This step is critical to ensure strength, clarity, and consistency. The dried plastic is melted and injected into precision molds, forming the main body of the gel pen. Cooling locks the shape perfectly. At the same time, pen caps, soft grip sections, and end plugs are molded separately, each designed for comfort and durability. Excess plastic is trimmed away, and every component is visually inspected to meet strict quality standards. Metal rods are cut and shaped into ultra-precise gel pen tips using CNC machines, allowing controlled ink flow during writing. A microscopic metal ball is polished and carefully inserted into the tip, then locked in place to create smooth, consistent writing. Steel wire is coiled into tiny springs, heat-treated for strength, and tested to ensure reliable clicking and pressure control. Gel ink is created by blending pigments, polymers, and solvents. The mixture must be perfectly balanced for color and smoothness. The ink is filtered and degassed to remove air bubbles, ensuring an uninterrupted, smooth ink flow. Thin ink tubes are formed, cleaned, and precisely filled with gel ink, then sealed to prevent leakage. The ink tube is joined with the gel tip. Each refill is tested to confirm smooth and controlled ink delivery. All components come together. The refill, spring, grip, and cap are assembled into a complete gel pen. Finished pens undergo writing tests, pressure checks, and flow inspections to guarantee consistent performance. After final cleaning, the pens are packaged, boxed, and prepared for distribution worldwide. After dozens of precise steps, a simple, reliable gel pen is ready for everyday use. This is how everyday objects are crafted with precision. For more videos like this, subscribe to How It's Crafted.
Injects ink into the hollow ink cartridge. Immediately afterward, another machine applies a micro dot of adhesive to prevent ink backflow. The entire process is completed on a fully automated production line. Qualified pen tips, sorted by a rotating screening machine, are fed back onto the line and automatically assembled onto the ink cartridges. Any cartridges missed during assembly are identified by a detection machine further down the line and ejected to prevent disruptions in the subsequent stages. Next, a metal tip shell is screwed onto the cartridge. This shell protects the head of the pen barrel. A gripping device then immediately inverts the cartridge. The tip shell also prevents the ink cartridge from slipping out when it is later inserted into the barrel by machine. The remaining assembly steps are tightly coordinated. The tail end of the ink cartridge is pushed into the barrel and the end cap is screwed on. Only two final steps remain. The machine applies a red sealing compound to the pen tip to prevent ink leakage, and then the cap is fitted onto the pen. The ballpoint pen is now complete. This advanced, intelligent manufacturing system can produce up to 10,000 pens per hour, with a daily production capacity reaching 240,000 units. works and it leaked everywhere. At the time, manufacturing simply wasn't precise enough, so the design couldn't work reliably. Meanwhile, people used fountain pens, but they had problems too. The ink was water-based, too thin, slow to dry, and relied on gravity, causing constant smudging. Then came a breakthrough. Hungarian journalist Laszlo Biro noticed that printing ink was thicker, dried faster, and didn't soak into paper, so he used oil-based ink in a pen. Here's the surprising part. This ink didn't need gravity or pressure to move. It flows through capillary action, a tiny force that pulls liquid through narrow spaces. It's the same principle that lets trees draw water from roots to leaves. Because of this, the ink could flow smoothly in any direction. No leaks, no smears. That's when everything changed. The ballpoint pen went from a failed idea to one of the most essential tools we use every day.
How it's made. The process starts with ink being filled into a tiny plastic tube. This tube is the heart of the pen. A special adhesive is applied to prevent ink from flowing backward, so the ink stays stable and lasts longer. Next, the ballpoint tip is carefully attached to the ink tube. Smart machines instantly detect and remove any misalignment. The ink tube is then inserted into the pen barrel. Both the front and back are sealed with plastic screw components, keeping everything tightly secured and perfectly aligned. After that, the pen tip is coated with a red sealing compound. This protects the ballpoint from damage during transport and storage. Now, the pen receives its cap or click mechanism, depending on the design. Finally, the brand name and details are laser engraved onto the pen body. From start to finish, the machines run smoothly without stopping. This fully automated factory can produce up to 10,000 pens per hour.
I was gonna make it in the building of my broken part. So